IADA Business School is known for its reputation amongst one of the best business schools in Europe.
So when I came to IADA here, the professors whom I have consulted with all are people who have industrial experience as well. So that exposure is something that's gonna help us a lot.
The curriculum is aligned with my career goals, so that I can acquire those learning from here and apply into the industry.
The faculty in IADA Business School offers a rich perspective in business management education with respect to its absolutely amazing infrastructure that it offers to the students with world-class facilities.
The pedagogy was really great. We did hands-on experiences, we made visits.
We got to see assembly lines of many industries, and we got to experience how people work, how businesses work, and I'll take that definitely.
The industry visit that we did, those really helped us because those really gave us the chance to actually see what is the challenges that the companies are facing. In India, how we are doing is we'll have the case study one day before and then we prepare and then we go. But here it is like all of a sudden. So which is again giving us the critical thinking.
When the professors give us case studies or examples out of here, they connect it with non-profit organizations. That's quite different, which I found here. In India, way back in India, there are people who are running behind profits and how to earn money, how to make the revenue. But here, people are like, for social causes, they do things.
I have learned a lot of hard skills and soft skills at my IADA duration. Soft skills included interpersonal skills, personality development, understanding each other.
We learned about European industries, how they are working, how European businesses are growing here.
Especially the leadership module at Kolbato, your campus, was absolutely amazing experience where we were taken to be a part of a lot of physical activities along with our group, and you get to understand a lot about the batch as well, what we were not knowing in IIM Shillong. I can be a different leader, so I have a different perspective to handle the teams, to manage the teams, how to motivate the people when they are not in the right state of mind.
It will help us to foster more international business when it comes to India and Europe. So that will be obviously of more use. So I think overall it's going to be a very beneficial experience.
It's been an incredible experience, to be very honest. I wouldn't say just met my expectations, but it just exceeded my expectations.
Coming from Southeast Asia, it was a beautiful learning experience for me.